Hello guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to block your measurements. I'm going to measure 9 inches from the neck of my canvas to the front line, or you call it your hairline. So after which I'm going to place my tape rule from the hairline, and I'm going to take my pin to secure the tape rule on the canvas so that it won't move while I'm trying to get the measurements of my front to nape. I've been just struggling with my tripod stand. So I'm going to measure the front to nape according to the client's head measurement. Before now, I've taken down my client's head measurement. I'm just transferring the head measurement to my canvas head. So here I measured 14 inches. Here I'm going to measure my nape. My client's nape is about 7 inches. So I'm going to get the middle, Remember, you are meant to use your center line, your middle line of your canvas head to get your accurate measurement. So my client's head measurement, my client's nape is 7 inches. So I divided it into half, which is about 3.5. So I measured 3.5 from the tape rule, then I placed it correctly at the nape. Alright guys, so in this place I'm just trying to get everything settled down on my canvas and making sure that there's no pin standing on my way. Everything is perfect and ready for my mesh cap. So I'm going to use my mesh cap here. You have to remember, I said you are making use of your center line, your middle line, which is the middle, your center, that is your V point. So I'm going to make sure that my mesh cap is sitting accurately on the canvas head using the middle. Right here I'm just trying to adjust my mesh cap to make sure that it's actually on the middle line. Look at the middle line here. So I'm just adjusting my cap to make sure that it is perfectly fit. Then after which I'm going to remove the T-pin to secure my cap on the canvas head. I've been struggling here with my tripod stand. The tripod stand is actually a very old one. It's about 4 to 5 years now. I actually have another one, which is the GX tripod stand. The tripod stand is very good. It is the heavy duty. So yeah, I'm just trying to adjust my mesh cap to where the nape is. You remove your pin and then use your pin to secure your mesh cap perfectly to the particular point you just removed. Your pin is going to form like a hole, so note that hole and use your pin to drag your mesh cap exactly where you just removed the pin. Do it like that all through when you are transferring the measurement and you're trying to adjust the cap to fit exactly where your pin was before. When you get that, then you secure it down firmly. After which, then you check out for excess spaces. If there's any excess space, then you begin to adjust again. But if there are no excess space, then you begin to sew. Just know that once there is excess space, this is what makes the cap not to fit. Your foundation is actually very, very important. Then you use your pin to drag the mesh cap, adjust it to make it flat. You want your cap to be flat on the canvas head. You don't want to have a bumpy wig eventually. You don't want to have excess spaces still left on your canvas, on your wig cap. Then I kept on adjusting until I achieve a flat cap. Can you see? Use your pin to correct it, then you drag it. Make sure that it is flat. Don't overstretch your cap. Please don't overstretch. You just have to adjust. All I'm doing here is just adjusting. On the norms, I'm supposed to even pin down this other part, like the beginning of that part here, but I didn't because I'm already used to it. Like, I know what I'm doing. But for you that is just starting, make sure you pin it down. Then you cannot begin to sew the excess part. After when you're done sewing, then you start using your tape rule to mark your guidelines. I'm going to record how to mark your guidelines in my next clip, so make sure to subscribe. Oh, my tripod stand is just acting up, so make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be uploading more videos, more short clips, more tutorials to help you guys in your wig making journey. Thank you so much. I love you, family.